In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer copyright in Prestashop. Whether you're a seasoned Prestashop user or just starting out, editing the footer copyright is a straightforward process that enhances your online store's professionalism. Let's dive in and make those changes efficiently in just a few simple steps. First things first, head over to your shop's admin login page. You can do this by navigating to your shop domain followed by admin in the URL. This link will take you directly to the admin login interface. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email and password to access the admin dashboard fully. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your online store. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Prestashop back office dashboard. From here, click on the Settings tab. It's typically found at the top of the page and serves as the gateway to various customizations and settings options available for your store. Within the settings, locate and select International. This section is crucial as it holds the key to modifying different language and translation settings necessary for the next steps. Under International, select Translations. This option allows us to modify the text that appears on your website in different languages, showcasing Prestashop's translation capabilities. Next, find the section labeled Modify Translations. This is where the real editing happens. Under Type of Translation, choose Front Office Translation. This selection specifies that we're interested in changing the text visible to customers who visit your website. Now make sure to select English as the language in which you're working. After selecting your desired settings, go ahead and click Modify. This action opens up a variety of text strings available for editing on your site. In the search bar provided, type in copyright. You want to pinpoint exactly where this text is located within your website's translations. Once you have that typed in, hit the search button and let it find all instances of your targeted text across the theme. You'll soon see a list of results. Find the specific copyright text that appears on your store's footer. Click on it to start editing. Here you can input any custom text you'd like to showcase as your copyright information. It could be your business name paired with the current year, or any specific message you want to convey to your audience. Once you've edited the text to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is crucial, otherwise all your modifications could be lost. After saving, head back to your store's main page and refresh the website. By refreshing, you'll see the changes take effect immediately on your live site. And that's it! You've successfully edited the footer copyright on your Prestashop site, enhancing your store's appearance and providing the precise messaging you wish to communicate. Thanks for following along and enjoy customizing your store with Prestashop.